In this video we are going to talk about 5 ways to make money online that works. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. The past year pushed us all to enjoy the magnificent indoors. It's no wonder that people want to earn money online from the comfort of their own homes. Millions of people today live in what was once a distant daydream. The path to earning a considerable amount of money online has become much clearer for those of us who worked remotely from our home offices for the last few years. Number 5. Dropshipping. It is a business concept where you do not maintain any of the things that you offer in stock at all times. A third party fulfills and ships orders for you when a customer purchases anything from your store, rather than you. Because of the inexpensive startup costs, it is becoming an increasingly popular option to make money online for both novices and seasoned professionals. Dropshippers have a tendency to follow the current fashion trends. Moreover, while there's nothing wrong with riding the crest of a popular product wave, keep in mind that there are several product categories that are stable and offer similar prospects to succeed. Shopify's top achievers are frequently found in the following areas, according to our data. Women's apparel and accessories. Oberlo's most popular product category is by far the most popular category of products on the site. Additionally, there are a variety of interesting subcategories within this area, such as gowns and accessories, intimates, hoodies, socks and hosieries, and rompers, among others. Because these products have a huge market, are purchased on a regular basis, and are effectively marketed through effective marketing, they continually rank among the best dropshipping products. Jewelry. Dropshipping is a viable business strategy to consider if you want to turn your passion for jewelry into a profitable small business. Fine jewelry, fashion or costume jewelry, and collectibles are just a few of the categories in which you can sell your items. Alternatively, you might offer jewelry manufactured from a variety of materials such as jewels, wood, textiles, or metals. Home and garden. It seems that the home and garden niche is one of those dropshipping niches that is always in style. People are constantly looking for methods to personalize their surroundings in order to make them seem more warm and inviting, which may make this a fascinating, and successful, niche to sell in. Beauty. Beauty and personal care sales are expected to reach $511.4 billion by the end of 2021, according to projections. Despite the fact that younger generations are joining the market, the beauty sector is thriving, thanks to the influence of social media and e-commerce. You can also make money in the beauty industry by selling cosmetics, skincare products, personal care products, hair care products, fragrances, and other items. Okay, that sounds fantastic. Dropshipping, on the other hand, comes with a significant disadvantage: you're selling an already existing goods. Because of the simplicity with which you may establish a dropshipping firm, you will be up to your knees in competition, and as a result, it will rely significantly on customer service. The implication is that you're giving up an extremely valuable piece of leverage. You should also know that, in order to thrive, you'll need to outperform the competition through a well-picked niche and innovative marketing techniques. Number 4. Print on demand. It enables retailers to create white-label products with their own designs and sell them only once a buyer purchases them, reducing the need to have inventory on hand, which is what makes it a subset of dropshipping. Upon receiving an order from a consumer, a print-on-demand provider will incorporate your design into the product, complete the order, and ship it to the customer. In comparison to dropshipping, the most major advantage print-on-demand provides is that you have complete control over the aesthetics of your products, a critical differentiation for product categories where design is the primary differentiator, such as t-shirts or fan apparel. In general, print-on-demand allows you to generate personalized products in a short amount of time. You won't have to worry about shipment or fulfillment because your suppliers will take care of everything. Furthermore, because there is no inventory to worry about, it is a low-risk, low-investment method of making money online. Number 3. Custom products. While the choices listed above provide the ease of not having to hold on to pricey inventory, they do have some drawbacks, the most significant of which is that you do not have complete control over the goods you're offering to your customers. The following are the characteristics that spring to mind when considering the majority of direct-to-consumer brands: innovative products that make significant improvements to well-known things or include unique elements that are not found in other products. Personally, I've purchased a number of messenger bags, but I'd never seen anything quite like the one produced by Vermelia Pelle until it arrived at my door. I was pleasantly surprised. Fashion, jewelry, and home decor firms are all embracing the trend of handcrafting their products. Having complete control over the product development and quality of your things is a huge advantage. 1. It can be time-consuming, and 2. It is difficult to scale. These are the only drawbacks. The expenses of supplies, the cost of keeping your final products, and the cost of labor are all linked with handcrafted products. Number 2. Digital products. With digital products, you may earn some of the highest profit margins of any product you offer. When it comes to developing digital items, the upfront expenditures can be significant, but the variable costs of selling digital products are very modest. Once media or software has been created, it is not prohibitively expensive to distribute it to customers. Fundamentally, a digital product is an intangible asset that can be sold again and over again without the need to resupply inventories. They are frequently delivered as downloadable files, such as a PDF, plug-in, or interactive document. Many top professional influencers, bloggers, and public figures are now releasing digital products, such as guides, ebooks, templates, research findings, plans, tutorials, and other forms of information that can be used to generate passive income. Some of the most significant advantages of selling digital products are as here: they have a lot of potential. There is no limit to the number of things that can be sold. There is no inventory. There are no manufacturers. There will be no shipping or logistics. Simply put, marketing the products is all that is required. It is not necessary for you to intervene when a buyer orders a digital product, as it is supplied promptly. Low overhead costs and huge profit margins are the hallmarks of this company. The fact that there are no recurrent costs of goods or shipping expenses means that you retain a large portion of the profit from each sale. The use of e-learning is getting increasingly prevalent. By 2025, it is predicted that the e-learning business would be worth $325 billion. Digital items are an excellent opportunity to capitalize on this trend and broaden your company's reach. Digital products can be a terrific source of additional money in addition to your primary source of revenue. Many creators create them in order to generate more cash for their enterprises, whether it is through consultancy, education, or memberships. You could establish a presence on social media sites such as Twitter and LinkedIn, or you could construct an email subscriber list to whom you could promote your items and solicit purchases. Because the barrier to entry is so low when it comes to selling digital products, there is no need for upfront investment or risk. The best case scenario is that you sell 10,000 template copies of yourself. The worst case scenario is that only a few people purchase your product, and you only lose a few hours of your time. Number 2. Media. If you're a content provider looking to sell music, videos, digital art, paid newsletters, magazines, or podcasts, media is the finest description available. Although media and digital products appear to be closely related, the difference is that media is more tailored toward creative endeavors, for example, a writer launching a paid newsletter subscription or an artist learning how to sell art online. The best aspect about selling media is that it allows people to express themselves online in many cases. Artists and creators who previously lacked access to networks, galleries, or public relations may now develop a brand, grow a following, and make money doing what they love online. Number 1. Blogging. At some time in your life, you've undoubtedly read a business blog. Blogging is used by businesses to share expertise and insights, establish an audience, and increase leads and revenue. Blogging offers numerous advantages, including establishing thought leadership in an area and increasing a brand's search engine presence. Blogging for a living has expanded beyond small companies and side hustles. Anyone can now grow an audience and make a lot of money from their blog by producing amazing content. In contrast to acquiring information from a company blog, bloggers use a more personal approach that resonates with their target audience. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.